I'm not looking forward to this, but there you go. Wow.
And brain. Mostly people like the Delhi brain and goat's thoughts.
If it isn't, it'll make me gag. I think the sheep's brains, which I'm still a bit tentative about, is 150. I can't help thinking what the sheep was thinking about. Oh, what a horrible, sorry I even thought that now. Sorry I even thought that. So, we're in Paharganj. I'm about to go to Deep Pack Chicken Corner. And we're going to start off with a bit of chicken, and then we're going to move on to the sheep's brain. And it smells delicious. It's very smoky. So, busy around here tonight. Hope the flickers don't show, but I'll show you what's above me here. Look at that. I am seated and hungry. Chicken's coming first. Had the chicken before I had. Chicken's fantastic. We'll start with the chicken, and then hopefully have the stomach for the sheep's brains.
Chicken.
Thank you, G. Shukriya. So chicken has arrived. This is what the chicken looks like. So lovely crisp chicken. Some onions with like a mint sauce. Where do you start? Anyway, chicken looks delicious. Chicken is superb, absolutely superb. It's barbecued. A big, thick chunks of chicken, they really are. But I asked for not spicy, it's slightly spicy. But it's a good spicy. Here comes the dog, Kuta. I'll be eating this chicken every night I'm in Delhi. It's moist, fluffy, slightly spicy. Quarter, I got a half piece here, so that's 150 rupees. So 2 pieces is 300 rupees. Another 150 for the few too many cats and dogs around, but anyway. I think the sheep's brains, which I'm still a bit tentative about, is 150 as well. Unfortunately, I do have a dog here looking at me, but and a cat. Just because I'm in India and the food tastes a little bit lower, this is really juicy. It's just fantastic chicken. I eat an awful lot of chicken, and this is good. Cat and the dog are annoying me a bit. If the sheep's brains, which I also had at this stall a few years back, and I didn't like, it just tasted like sheep's brains. You'd think sheep's brains would taste. I hope it doesn't taste like that, but I have a feeling it's kind of in a sauce. As I said, if it's anything like this chicken, I'll eat it and it won't make me gag. If it isn't, it'll make me gag. So until then, it's also a bit a typical thing in India. You got a dog looking at you, what? We just sit there all the time. So, Raj Kumar, what spices do you put in this brine?
It's like red chili powder and coriander powder, salt, and garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala, like Indian traditional garam masala.
How many people like this in Delhi? Many people like?
Uh, Mostly people like the Delhi brain and goats thoughts.
Goats?
Thoughts.
Go foot.
Foot. Yeah.
But many people like
Many
brain.
people like this.
And you like brain.
Yeah.
And you eat, you told me, one time a week?
Lungs also I'm like it. Very like this. Lungs.
Lungs?
Lamb lungs.
Lungs.
Lungs. First of all, oil.
First oil.
Refined oil.
Refined oil. Ghee.
Then onion. Chop onion. Enjoy cooking.
The singing cook.
Singer cook. Green chili.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Ginger also.
Ginger garlic paste.
More ginger.
With garlic. This one salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, and Indian garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala like cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper. Also Indian big thing for garam masala.
Oh.
Now then, brain. God brain. Chicken gravy sauce.
Chicken gravy. And then you serve with chapati like
Chapati like Indian naan.
this? With naan bread, chapati.
Naan bread.
Acha. So served like this.
Green chili and ginger.
Green chili, ginger.
Garnishing.
So many flavors.
Ginger.
There it is. So I'm taking this home rather than eat it here for the simple reason I don't know if I'm going to throw up. I don't know if I'm going to like it. The chef is very interested in my review, and I don't want to be puking it up in front of him. I have had it before and I didn't like it, but there was no spices. It was just cooked and it tasted like sheep's brain. That's what it tasted like. It tasted exactly as you'd expect it to taste. I'm going to eat this as quick as I can because whatever about eating sheep's brains that are cold, I don't think it'll be nice. Oh my god. This does not look good. All right. The green chilies are nice. Um, I think the gross part is knowing what it is rather than the taste, because it's making my eyes water. The green chilli is kind of, I don't think there's a lot of masking. There's no Kashmiri chilli, there's no garlic. There's green chilli, which is quite pungent. Can't remember if we said there was garlic in it. It doesn't taste that bad, to be honest. There's a few sinewy bits in it. I can't help thinking what the sheep was thinking about. Oh, what a horrible, sorry I even thought that now. Sorry I even thought that. Oh, hang on. Do you know what? It would probably be nice on toast. With butter, if you didn't know what it was. Well, when you know what it is, he says he eats it once a week. It's high protein. It's a bit stringy looking. Aesthetically, I suppose it could look better, but coriander is quite good in it. I kind of like coriander a lot. Well, I wouldn't be mad about it, to be honest. If I didn't know what it was, I might think completely different though. I think my job here is done.
What